So I want to show that the storage and memory capacities of computers have come a long way. Now this is a 1980 TRS 80 Model 1 Level 2, which had 16K of RAM, and the floppy drive you see on the right had a floppy that could hold 360 kilobytes. So if you compare that with the MacBook Pro of today, it's a stark comparison. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte solid state drive. So to give you an idea of how much larger each thing is, the 8 gigabytes of RAM is 500,000 times larger than the TRS 80's memory capacity. And the 1 terabyte solid state drive holds 2.8 million times more than the 360K that the floppy drive of the TRS 80 held.